Well, welcome to Homegrown. Today we're going to be talking about hemp. And we're in North Carolina where it has been called industrial hemp, and now we're going by just hemp. It is cannabis sativa, and it is grown for purposes of floral, fiber, and grain. Lots of different genetics comes into that, and the distinguishing factor between hemp and marijuana is the percentage. Anything above 0.3% is considered non-compliant as hemp and would therefore be in the category of marijuana.
So hemp is a new crop in North Carolina. We just started growing it in 2017, and there was no information available on hemp on a state or even a national level. So we really started from scratch. And it was the growers and extension and the researchers all working together, particularly those first several years, on figuring out, can we grow this plant in North Carolina? Getting information out to the growers and to our extension agents so they could help their growers. Working with the North Carolina Department of Agriculture and their agronomic division to develop fertility guidelines. So it was everyone in the state that works with farmers coming together to help this new industry.
So hemp has a wide range of end products, from the floral uses that may turn into a biomass and extractions for the health and other industries, to products from fiber such as rope and textiles. Hempcrete is also used in building materials. Also, uses of hemp are in the grain, so for hemp grain, hemp hulls and hemp hearts, as well as extracted into oils.
But we do have a higher concentration of the growers doing small-scale, high-value production here in the West. They're the ones I'm most familiar with. And there are quite a few of them that, they've got their systems down. They've got their markets, they've got their customers, they're always trying to do something better and come up with new products, and I think they're here to stay.
From the plants here in the field to the shelf or the next use, for fiber, that entails a retting process, so breaking down the inner and outer fibers. That can be done in the field or also through other types of methods. And then it needs to go through some pretty extensive decording and processing to become what is either the inner or the outer fiber. So the outer fiber would be in the high-end textiles, clothing eventually perhaps, and the lower end would be turned into things like animal bedding and hempcrete. But all would have to go through a process, usually at a factory.
And they're making the products that you see in the dispensaries. So they're making like CBD oils, they're doing gummies, they're doing chocolates, they're doing smokables. They're offering a whole array of products. Many are doing body care products and pet products. I think hemp is here to stay. Our ag econ people are working with us also to create enterprise budgets, to watch the market trends. So, like I said, we've got the whole college and beyond involved in this and looking at all the different aspects.
It's also a plant that's been used for thousands of years and has such a diversity of applications that we're just always finding out more things.